Snowflakes dancing in the air, Christmas magic everywhere. Say goodnight, stars twinkle bright, welcome us to a cozy night. The tree stands tall with its golden star, a beacon of joy from near and far. With stockings hung and cookies to share, family and friends bring love everywhere. Laughter rings and hearts are light, together we glow in the winter's night. Snowy nights and Christmas lights, singing songs by the firelight. Gifts we give and joy we find, love and cheer for all mankind. Snowmen wave with their carrot noses, children laugh as the cold wind blows. Hot cocoa warms as we tell our tales of Santa's sleigh and jingling bells. Look to the sky, see the reindeer fly, a sleigh full of gifts, they soar so high. The magic of love wraps the night so tight. Merry Christmas to all and to all.